Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing another Fashion Nova haul. So with this haul, I was going more for going out outfits and stuff because I don't know if you all noticed this, but I wear a lot of turtlenecks. If you follow me on Instagram at Madamebrittney, you know I wear a lot of turtlenecks. So I felt like I needed a little more club attire or party attire or something like that, something for the weekend. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and get into this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and comment at the end if you like this video, and follow me on Instagram at Madamebrittney. Follow my lash company at Casino Lashes. And let's get into it, you guys. Here's the box right here. Yeah, it's a smaller box, so it's not that much at all, you guys. So let me get these scissors. Where did I see those scissors? Really, like I always say, I don't usually look at my order after I order because I like to be surprised when it comes. But in my last video, Fashion Nova actually forgot to send me something. They didn't send me a puffer coat, and I was I didn't open the box yet because I was waiting to do it on camera. And I emailed customer service maybe 4 days later, and they're like, oh, we don't accept it unless it's 2 or 3 days from your delivery. So yeah, I kind of screwed up there. So I'm trying to do this video as soon as possible so I can notice if I'm missing something right away. So I ordered some accessories because I really been wanting a cute little anklet. So this is something I got, a little normal gold anklet. And I wanted some rings. So I got I love those rings that go all the way up there and stuff. So yeah, I got some of those. So let me start by showing you all these shoes. Through shoes, these aren't the pair I've been seeing people wear, so I didn't mean to get these, but I'll put them on for you guys. But I like these too, but they're not the pair I've been wanting. My toes are not done, so don't even. Oh my goodness, I just watched Cinderella on Disney Plus, and this is exactly what it feels like. So, oh yeah, these are kind of cute. These are cute. These are cute. Yeah. And then these are always way cuter on pictures. They literally look invisible on pictures. I really like this trend. I don't know about you, but I like the little plastic see-through shoe trend. Oh, these are neon. So yellow is my favorite color, you guys. So I got some cute little neon shoes, and the heel isn't high at all. Yeah, so these should be pretty easy to walk in. Yeah, these are cute. Yellow's my favorite color. This would really set off a black dress or a white dress. I got some. I'll show you all in a little bit. So anyway, you guys, let's go ahead and get into these clothes, okay? See you all in a second. Okay, so here we have some normal black sweatpants. So I actually wanted these to be loose so they could be a little look, but I feel like they're too tight. My vision was to wear them with the clear heels and be kind of sporty and cute at the same time, but obviously that did not happen. Even though I do like these joggers, it's just I should have got them a little bigger so they can be baggy. Yeah. So next we have this shirt that I love. I love this style. I'm not sure what color this is. I'm not sure how to classify this color. But this shirt was super cute. I've been wanting it forever. So the first time I actually bought this in pink. And this was the color I actually wanted the whole time. I don't really like to wear pink, but I'm so happy I finally got the color I wanted. So I wanted to show you all oh, this is the pink one. So yeah. The pink one is, well, it's magenta, so it's pretty pink, you guys. But yeah, I like this other color more. So next, we have this plain white t-shirt. It's a cropped t-shirt. I've been wanting just a normal cropped white t-shirt that isn't just see-through. This shirt isn't see-through, which I really appreciate. And yeah, I thought it was cute. So next we have this number. I'm definitely getting Britney Spears toxic vibes from this. It was super cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I really do. So it's pretty hard to buckle up, not because of it's too small or something, because it's hard to reach behind my neck as I was showing you. So I may need help doing that, but I really like this shirt. So next I have this little cheetah print mesh top. I love this little furry, the little furry sleeves. It is see-through, it's mesh, and it also has like little rhinestones all over it, if you all can see them. So the sleeves are long. If you all know, I have long arms, so having long sleeves are pretty important to me. But this shirt was super cute, super cute. Yeah. So I've been needing some black leggings, and as you can see, these leggings are pretty freaking see-through. So these are F minus in these leggings, definitely a F minus. So yeah, won't be wearing them unless, I don't know, maybe, yeah, I probably won't be wearing them. There's ways you can get away with see-through leggings, but nah, probably won't wear them. So next we have this shirt. Now this shirt is a number, like, I love this shirt. So this little string in between the two whatever is rhinestone, diamond, whatever. And this shirt, they only had a large left, so I got a large, and I'm glad I did because it was pretty, it didn't really want to fit my boobies that much. I'm still kind of scared. Like, I can't move my arms too much or it's gonna pop. I wonder if it'll be better if I got a smaller size. I don't know, but this is a large, and I love this shirt. Okay, so here we have these black leggings. So these leggings, you guys, these are nice leggings. So you really have to play around with Fashion Nova's leggings. So these aren't see-through at all, you guys. And on the inside, they're actually also fleece. So they're pretty soft and warm, if you like that. And most importantly, not see-through. So these are also only one size fits all or whatever. So yeah, these are good. I've been wanting this shirt since Black Friday, and I love this shirt. It's so cute and so different from what I would usually get. So it's a different little plaid pattern on the sleeves, on the front, and on the back. Well, the same pattern but different colors. And I thought it was just too cute. Like, I love this. And it's super long, so I wanted it to be a little bigger, so I got a medium, even though I knew that it was gonna be big. So you could also like tie this up, is what I was thinking, tie it up in the front, or even put a belt around it. It's so long. Like, I'm tall, so if you're shorter, you could probably wear this with no pants. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. So to go with the shirt, I also bought a pair of black shorts. So I don't have any shorts, and these have a hole in the back all the way through the butt, which I did not know. It was pretty hard to put these on because I couldn't figure out which hole to put my feet in, which was the hard part. So yeah, I really like these shorts actually. So they're super cute. And I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. My camera must have didn't focus. And my vision was to wear these with heels. Well, really some thigh-high boots or some booties. And yeah, this is a look like, what? I look like I'm in formation. That's cute. So yeah. And here, this is a little two-piece like sweater set, kind of. So the material is like ribbed and thick like a sweater. So it has zippers at the top of the shirt and the bottom of the shirt. So you could have the top open or the bottom open. And the leggings are the same material. So they're also like kind of sweater ribbed-ish too. Oh, and you can unzip the sleeves too, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if that's the look you want to go for. And here I'm just showing you all how it's kind of ribbed and everything. So I wasn't feeling this dress at all. Like, this looks like the dress I wore to my 5th grade graduation. So I didn't want to have it on very long. So yeah, didn't really like it. I also got these latex vinyl pants. So I bought these in my Black Friday haul in a size medium. I could wear them in the haul. They button up fine, but when I was actually gonna go somewhere in them, they ripped in the crotch area. So this time I ordered a large just to be safe. But these are super cute. I love how they go all the way down to my ankle, and these are just like a staple piece. Everybody needs some leather leggings, some latex leggings, pants, whatever. Everyone needs those, and these are it, you guys. These are it. So this dress is so cute. It's like sequin. I was feeling myself a little bit. As you can see, it opens. You can get it around your head easily. Like it's just a stretchy kind of material. My elbows were a little ashy, but this dress was super cute. Love it. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. Like this dress is so cute to me. So some things were nice, some things were a little disappointing. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madamebrittney. Follow Casino Lashes. And have a great day, you guys. Bye, guys.